Hi, I'm Kaylee.
I'm Pepper.
And this dumbass spiked her phone violently against the concrete, shattering the screen into a billion tiny pieces.
It just slipped out, okay?
So anyway, today we're going to be fixing it. Let's get started. Here's what we're working with. Completely shattered front. You can't really tell, but there's cracks going all through it, and the top is dented.
Okay, so how do we fix it?
According to the dude on YouTube, we just tape up the screen so glass doesn't go everywhere, use a hairdryer to heat up the glue, remove the screen and the glue, and then stick a new screen down.
You know.
Hey, do you own a case for this phone? Where's the case, huh?
Well, I had a case, but I took it off.
Yeah.
Yeah, because, cases are kind of bulky.
And when did the screen break? Was the case on the phone when the screen broke?
No. It was just like a few days later after I took off the case, and then I was like, wow.
I'm a dumbass. Do you have like insurance or protection plan on this? No, you don't. Okay, we should open everything first.
Yeah, you could do like a kit show off. You're like, so what's in the kit?
Oh no, they didn't pay me, so.
Okay. How much was the screen anyway?
I don't remember, like $200-300.
200?
It's $1,000 phone.
You see, I had my phone for 2 years before this one, and I never broke it.
Right, but as soon as you... Yeah, okay, I think we're ready to go. Okay, this sticker doesn't stick where the fuck. It just doesn't. What the fuck? Okay.
Are you done yet?
The tape doesn't work. The sticky thing won't stick.
Oh,
okay, that works.
Oh, look, it's coming off.
Oh. No. It just delaminated. Is that just another layer? Or is that it?
That's it. And just be careful of the cables on the bottom.
Yeah, the bottom right. I don't want to tear this cable. There. So now that that's unlocked and out. So now all this glue needs to come out. All this black stuff. And the new screen has the glue pre-installed. So we just yank off this tab, stick it down. This is gonna take a while. All right, since there's a dent in the case, I'm going to take my adjuster. I think that's everything. We've got the dent bent out. Okay, so I'm gonna hook it up, then turn the phone on, make sure it works. Okay.
Look, it works.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it back off. Let's check the camera. It appears to be an Android camera. I don't see any haze or anything. Look at that.
Yay.
Look. No. The reflection of the phone.
Oh, perfect.
It's fucking nuts. And now the most important part, screen protector in a phone case. Well, Pepper, thank you for letting me fix your phone. I had a good time learning about inside of phones.
Yeah, I'll make sure to take good care of it.
And you're not... Pepper, what the fuck? I just fixed that.
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine.